PS4 has had many third-party drivers in the past, including the Razer Raiju and the Nakin Revolution Pro. However, none of them have coincided with the Xbox Elite controller, which many still claim is the best in terms of customization and a higher performance when playing. Thanks to SCUF Gaming, PS4 players will now have the option of having an Elite version driver. Duncan Ironmonger today unveiled the new PS4 controller with official license, known as the SCUF Vantage PS4 controller. He said, "Controllers are the most important connection between an individual and the game. They must be an extension of the player to maximize their performance." The Vantage PS4 SCUF controller features laterally mounted right and left sax buttons that are designed to fit the natural location of a player's fingers and provide additional configuration options. The faceplate is removable, so players can easily change the thumbsticks and customize the controller according to their preferences. In addition, players will no longer have to perform multiple actions to adjust the volume when a simple slide of the audio touch bar can do that for them. They can also reduce the weight of the controller with the removable vibration modules.